minutes, ano? Kasi he should have communicated with the committee by now. Kung gusto niya talagang isa lang yung 18 or maybe some of the 18.
Parang sa media lang nilabot ng...
Wala namang effort talaga eh. Not insistence. Walang effort na makipag-usap na baka pwedeng tawagin. Wala. In-offer ko na, yeah.
Kumbaga sir, kung makikipag-usap sana sa inyo, you're willing to meet with...
Yeah, because I should really clarify muna. Ano ba ito sabi niyo? Parang do the math, ano? At tingnan natin kung physically possible, no? Logistically possible, edi pag-usapan natin at iisa lang natin. Ayoko lang iniwasan ko yung mag-hearing ka, mauwi lang sa contempt. Alam mo, wala naman kaming lugar dito. 18 yung ikukulong mo. Hindi ko naman maiwasan kung mayroong mag-motion, ano, to cite them in contempt of the committee. So may mag-motion dyan, tapos magbubutuan kami. Kung ipakulong.
So, walang betting kay Governor Chavit?
Well, he's a former governor. Kaya I leave it up to him to justify his presence. Magkasipay siya. Anyway, makita ninyo naman yung credibility or incredibility, whichever the case, ano, ng kanyang sasabihin. Okay. Baka matumba kayo. When? Sabihin na when.